Welcome to all. I hope all of you are well and safe. Today I want to discuss about covalent bond in molecule, polar covalent compound, polarity, solubility of compound in water from chapter 5. First, covalent bond in molecule. For example, the covalent bond between oxygen molecule. In oxygen molecule, the electronic configuration of oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4. That means the total number of electrons in outermost orbit are 6. So oxygen lacks more 2 electrons than that of inert gas. Whenever two oxygen atoms come close to each other, then every oxygen atom share couple of electrons with each other. If we see in orbit figure, we can see the orbit figure of oxygen. Electron it is one oxygen atom, another it is another oxygen atom. When these two oxygen atoms come together, they share couple of electron with each other. In this way, this red marked cross symbol is the electrons of this oxygen, and these two black colored cross symbol are the 2 electrons of this oxygen. When these two oxygen atoms are joined with each other by sharing 2 couples of electron, then this overlapping is formed, and every couple of electron denotes one single bond. So here in this overlapped area there are 2 couples of electrons. So between these two oxygen, which is bonded with each other by double bond. So in oxygen molecule, oxygen to oxygen atoms are bonded with each other by double bond, which is formed by this process. So here if we see the outermost orbit or last orbit in this oxygen, there are 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Ultimately, there are 4 couples of electron in this outermost orbit of this oxygen. So it is fulfilled by 8 electrons. Similarly, for this oxygen, it has also 4 couples of electron, 1 couple, 2 couple, 3, 4. Ultimately, there are 4 couples of electron. That means there are 8 electrons in outermost orbit, which is covered as a state of inert gas. So this is the covalent bond in molecule. If we see H2O molecule, this is one hydrogen, and the electron of this hydrogen is this cross symbol and this cross symbol for this hydrogen atom, and red mark cross symbol are the electrons of oxygen. So this red mark cross symbols, which is the electron of this oxygen atom, that means the center atom of H2 molecule is oxygen. So this red colored symbol is cross symbol is the electron of this oxygen in outermost orbit, which is shared with this hydrogen atom and form this covalent bond. Similarly, this covalent bond is also formed because 2 hydrogen atoms are attached with 1 oxygen atom. Ultimately, if we see in a structural formula, oxygen is bonded with 2 hydrogen atom. This is the covalent bond in H2O molecule. Now, polar covalent compound. Sometimes some covalent compounds or molecule, if we see in oxygen, the electronegativity, since the electronegativity of oxygen is more than hydrogen, so this pair electron or this bond electrons move towards this oxygen a little bit, since the electronegativity of this oxygen is more than this hydrogen. So this bond electron moves towards this oxygen. Ultimately, partially negative charge is formed in this part and partially positive charge is formed in this part. Similarly, partially positive charge and partially negative charge. And this type of compound in which there are 2 poles present in compound, this type of compound is polar covalent compound, and this property is called polarity. So in oxygen molecules there are 2 poles. In this bond, Here it is one pole and it is another pole. It is one pole and it is another pole. So it is a polar covalent compound. And the property is called polarity. Now, solubility of compound in water. Suppose NaCl, solubility of ionic compound in water. Since NaCl is an ionic compound, so it forms Na plus and Cl minus. Ultimately, this is positive charge and this is negative charge. And in water, since the water is a polar compound, so this positive part is attached by this negative part. This positive part is attached or attracted by this negative part, and this negative part is attracted by this positive charge. Ultimately, this ionic compound is dissolved in water. Sometimes there are some covalent compounds that dissolve in water, because suppose methanol CH3OH, it is dissolved in water because in this compound it has this part. So between this oxygen and hydrogen, electronegativity of oxygen is more than hydrogen's. So partial negative charge is formed in this part and partial positive charge is formed in this part according to these rules. So this is also a polar compound. That means one part is positively charged, another part is negatively charged. That's why it is dissolved in water. So this is the topics of today. I hope all of you have understood this. Study hard and be safe. Thank you very much.